Alright, today I'm doing a jewelry review on Harlem Bling jewelry. They had reached out to me, sent me a couple pairs of earrings to do a review on. I know a lot of y'all have been reaching out to us, asking what happened to the Ice Connect website. We had to shut it down due to them reaching out saying that they wanted to sue for us posting and selling trademarked items. So if you're still looking to purchase an AP, Rolex, or Cartier, and Lab Diamond, or Moissanite, just reach out to us on Instagram. One of us will reach back, show you what's available. We do video calls for y'all to think it's a scam. First post on the page, customers leaving reviews, letting y'all know that they received their item. Check the highlights, customers tagging us. Customers tagged their pendants and couple watches on the page. I know a lot of y'all always hitting us up like we scam. If you check the page, you'll see that we do not scam. Everybody tagged, you know what I'm saying? You can hit these customers up, see it on their page, and ask them, show the DMs, whatever y'all need to do to feel comfortable. So we finna get back into this unboxing. It came with 2 pairs of earrings, good leather, good leather box. Got his Instagram and website at the bottom of it. Came with the GRA Moissanite certificates. I can open up one of them for y'all. I'm gonna diamond test them for y'all too. I got my diamond tester. It looked like he sent me one, but I don't know if it got batteries in it. Come with the warranty card, GRA warranty card, Moissanite report, color grade D, clarity, VVS1. I got some natural diamond VS1 earrings that came from Solomon Jewelry out here in Dallas, Texas. I'm gonna show y'all a comparison between this, the natural VS1, and the Moissanite ones that he sent. We're gonna diamond test them too. So in the box too, he sent the diamond tester. I don't know if he do this with every purchase, but he sent it out to me. I don't know if it was for the purpose of the video to diamond test, but do come in the diamond tester. Oh yeah, look, he even got his logo on there, Harlem Bling. So that's cool. He sent that out. He sent some jewelry cloths. Got his logo on there. Instagram, website. Feel like a regular jewelry cloth. Got his logo on there. It came with some Harlem Bling stickers and his card. So y'all make sure y'all go check them out. You know what I'm saying? Shop with them, shop with us. And yeah, finna get into the review. Yeah, these hard. I don't know if y'all can see how they look, but this a different one. It's different from this one. They hitting hard too. But this is a flower setting like the real ones I got right here. This is a little bigger. See these natural diamonds, DS1s from Solomon, Moissanite. And they got the screw backs. That's a plus, cause I don't like the ones where they just slide on. I like the screw backs. So it's diamond testing. That one checked out. That one checked out. And of course these gonna check out, these natural. So yeah, that's gonna complete the video. Like I said, website down, no longer using the website. So if you wanna make a purchase, just reach out to us on Instagram. Got the Lab, got the Moissanite. Lab more expensive, Moissanite a little cheaper.